How to create Shopify app with Claude Code. First thing you need to do is install node.js. So let's go to node.js. We can get download node here and then run the Windows installer. Then install Claude Code. I'm guessing you already have it. Third is to install the Shopify CLI. So let's type in Shopify CLI. For this I will need Git. So let's install Git. Now npm comes with the node.js. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the command prompt. I'm gonna run as admin. And I'm gonna check if node is installed. Okay, it is. And I'm gonna check if npm is installed as well. And there you go. They are installed. Now what we need to do is to install the Shopify CLI. I think I saw somewhere a code for that. Here it is. The code is right here. So let's just copy it. Paste it here. Oh, there you go. This is not an error or something. This is just a warning. Let's just verify that that Shopify is installed. Okay, so as you can see, it displayed the version, so that means that we have installed the Shopify CLI successfully. Now what we need to do is make a Shopify partner account. Let's become a partner. Let's click create and set up a new partner organization. Let's go build apps. Next. And there you go. We're successfully inside Shopify partners. Now you need to create a development store. Let's go to the stores. Create store. Development. Development 1. Let's create the store. Now what you do is you go to the folder where you want your app. For example, if I want to make it if I want it to be on desktop, let me just choose desktop. The system cannot find the path select. What? Let's paste this path. Okay, boom. So now once you got your path, you need to paste this command. Click Y. Enter. So it just it opened up this thing. CSR, yeah, I bet it is. I'm gonna select the React router app because it's recommended. Now for this, I'm gonna choose actually TypeScript. Let's choose Calypso Core because that's the one I made. Okay, so the app name will be Calypso Core app. So what we need to do now is run cd Calypso Core app. There you go, we're inside of it now. And now we gotta do Claude. So let's open up Claude. If you don't have Claude in your terminal or you're having trouble installing Claude to your terminal, we have a video like that on the channel. So let's click 2. Okay, now let's click 2. And all you need to do now is just log in. And after you've logged in, you need to run this command and that's it. You can then talk to Claude and Claude can build your app. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.